The Gucci Soho zip around purse, and a really lovely kind of neutral colour, sort of beigey, camely, tan colour. It's in excellent, pristine condition, never used. It comes with Gucci dust bag and Gucci box, and there are some care documents as well. So inside, so it zips all the way around, hence the zip around. Inside there are 4 sections. Section 1 has got 6 card slots. Section 2 is a zippable section. 3 is an open one, and section 4 has another 6 slots, card slots. Now the Gucci heat stamp is in there, in that corner. There we go. Can you see that? Just in the corner there. As I said, excellent condition. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice kind of continental size wallet. Beautiful, beautiful Gucci.